How's it going, folks? So it's Outdoorsman Dave going DIY Dave NZ. So look, if you've ever wanted to wire up your trailer, if you've ever wanted to change the bulb lights to an LED light, and you've never done any of that before, well then you need to watch this video because neither have I. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. This lens is broken, so I need to change out this lens. Underneath my trailer is a connection box, and so I'm going to need to replace that and redo the connections there. And finally, on the front of the trailer where the tow coupling is, there is a join there which I'm just going to completely remove by using some new wire. So keep on watching and let's get this done. We're going to need some tools. So I've got the LED lights. I've got 4 meters of trailer wire, so that's I think it's 2mm gauge, and that's 5 core. Went and bought myself wire strippers. Anything to buy new tools is always a good excuse. Of course, we're going to need some through joiners. I'm going to use heat shrink tubes. There's an opportune time to go out and buy myself another heat gun, but it's a power box, so that's going to go up underneath. You're going to need some small tie wraps, and tools of the trade. Well, you're just going to need cutters, Phillips head screwdriver, and a box cutter. Right, that's all you need to buy. So let's get into this. As you can see, the lens is broken on here. Then just test each connector by pulling them. The yellow one doesn't go anywhere. What we need to do is to put this plug, I probably should have bought a new one, but put this plug on the end of this cord. So this is all colour for colour, looks absolutely shocking. Get rid of this. Okay, so that's wiring up of the plug. What do you reckon, Mr. B? We're slowly getting there, aren't we? Pulled the 5 core all the way through to here. Now this is the box that is all blown out. I've taken a photo of all these wires, so in case I get something wrong, because you know we're going to yellow to green, green to brown, so you don't want to get this one wrong. I think I'm going to reuse these again rather than connectors because it'll be sitting inside this box. Now just to give it a bit of a test. And there you have it. We have one new indicator now working. We have a nicely tidied up joint box underneath the trailer. and that ugly join is gone, so that it doesn't get caught in the tow bar, with plenty of slack for when we turn corners. There's just one more thing I need to really sort out, and that is I'm a little bit, I want to try to reduce this rattle. I have tried a 50mm coupling on the 7/8 tow ball, but it's actually even noisier. So the first thing I need to do is to try to put a new 1 7/8. Use a little bit of CRC. Yeah, it's quite worn. It's always important to have a spring washer to keep the tension of the bolts so this doesn't get loose. So if any luck, if I got this right, 52mm shank will go through this hole. Ooh, and just that spring washer goes underneath. You will need a decent crescent for this. Right, let's give this a go. Still doing a bit, but unless I put a new coupling on here, another 1 7/8, that's probably as good as it's going to get. That's it for me. So done the lights, done the tow ball, and trailer's good to go. Now all that needs to happen is I've got to go down and get a warrant, and so I'll have to sort that out tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and Outdoorsman Dave will take you on more adventures, but there might be a few DIY Dave NZ videos in the near future as well. Thank you so much. This is the end of 2022 for me. You have a fantastic Christmas, and we'll catch you in the new year 2023.